Right, this is how Supercar Blondie likes her breakfast. It isn't easy. So first we add some pepper, add some salt. These are ready to go. Open this up. And this is hot. That is hot. We've been preheating the engine, and that is going to do it. Next part up, toast. I'll let that sizzle on there. Hot today. It's about 45 degrees Celsius. That's about 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, Supercar Blondie is extremely picky with her eggs. So look at this. This is the power reserve, which is going to track our revs. With a V12 Rolls-Royce Wraith, what we're looking for is ideally about 6.5 revs. Any more, and it's actually overcooked, and she doesn't like that. So we're going to do 6.5 revs very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the last one is a half. I think I might have done a quarter, but I'll give it a little bit more. All right, that should be okay. That should be okay. All right. Now let's see how this toast is looking. I think we did it. She's gonna kill me. To be honest, it's very hot the entire day. This hood has been cooking underneath the sun, so hopefully she'll understand a little bit. Let's see how the eggs are looking, because if the eggs are overcooked, it's game over for me. But these eggs are looking great. Look at that. That is how you make Supercar Blondie eggs for breakfast. Pop that on there. Yes, I messed up the toast, but everything else is looking great. And we're gonna go see what she thinks. Let's go. Good morning.
Oh my god! Thanks, Serge. Looks amazing.
Welcome.
Wait, is this 6.5 reps?
Yeah.
Moggy, is this 6.5 reps? No, clearly not. Oh,